Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Mariela here. If this is the first time that you are here, on this channel you will find a lot of different types of content, mostly lifestyle based. You'll see a lot of fitness videos, recipe videos, weight loss videos, mommy and me videos, and now I'm going to start incorporating business videos, specifically on how to grow your business on YouTube and how to grow on YouTube. And that is what I'm gonna be talking about today. So I am here to announce the obvious. I have finally been monetized on YouTube. I got monetized on YouTube. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. So I finally met my 4,000 watch hours and I made it over 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy to finally announce that I am monetized because it is one step closer for me to be living in my dreams. I never thought this day was gonna come. Well, I did think that it was gonna come, but it's actually here. I officially am eligible to be monetized. So I passed the 1,000 subscribers. As you can see, I have 1,600 and I passed the 4,000 watch hours. I have 4,008 minutes. I'm so excited, you guys. If you want to continue helping me grow, make sure to comment, rate, and subscribe all of my videos. And this just shows you that you can really make it happen if you work hard. You guys, I'm so excited. I just got my first mail from Google. Hopefully I'll be getting a lot of more checks in the mail from Google, and this is my Google Adsense code that I'm gonna insert into my YouTube Studio ads section so I can start getting paid. But I'm so happy. It actually came sooner than expected because sometimes it could take up to 2 months. So you guys know that I'm going to the Dominican Republic, so I was praying that I received it before heading out so I can start getting this money. I see everyone else on YouTube getting these, and now it's my turn. So my pin is right here, but this is what it looks like. It says instructions: sign into your Adsense or Adsense account and find the pin verification card on your home page. Enter the pin exactly as it appears on the right and submit. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. I shared with you guys in the past that you guys do know that I would love to do YouTube as a full-time job, as a full-time income, because I want to share with you everything that I love, which is fitness, recipes, everything that I do with my son, details about starting your own online business. Those are things that I'm passionate about, and those are things that I watch on YouTube all day long. So I would love to do that for you guys as well. So for the people that have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for sticking with me. I appreciate you guys so much. And for the new people, this might be your first time watching this video. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified every time that I upload a video. And most importantly, thank you so much. I've been on YouTube for about 6 months now, and the hardest part of YouTube is sticking to it. And I've stuck to it finally. After so many years of wanting to do this, I've stuck to it. I'm committed, and now that it is 2021, because today is January 1st, yes, your girl is filming on January 1st because the grind is gonna be even harder now. But yeah, 2021, I'm gonna go super hard, and one of my goals for 2021 is to make it over 10,000 subscribers. So if you want to help me with my 2021 goal, then again, subscribe to my channel. But if you guys want to know how I got monetized, let's get into it right now. So all the information that I'm about to share with you is already on YouTube. All you have to do is research it, and that jumps us into the first point that I want to talk about. If you want to grow on YouTube, do research. There is so much information out on YouTube. There's so many tips and tricks on everything that you need to do to grow on YouTube. There's so many amazing people out there sharing resources, giving you tips and tricks and information on how to grow. So in anything that you want to do in life, you have to research it and become well-rounded on the subject so you can actually grow. So take time to inform yourself. Take time to know the ins and outs of YouTube. Take time to learn about your analytics, about how to analyze your audience, who's viewing your content, how to make content for that specific audience, etc., etc. So that is the first thing that I recommend. And now let's jump into the obvious. So the number one thing that you need to do to become monetized on YouTube and to gain over 1,000 subscribers, believe it or not, this is so easy, but people tend to fail on it. Stay consistent. Yes, my friends, stay consistent, which means if you promise your audience to upload content once a week, then do it. If you promise your audience to upload content once a month, then stick to that schedule. Having a schedule is very important because people know when to expect your video uploads, and they know when to go on YouTube and search up your videos. And if you are consistently sticking to the schedule, then your followers or your subscribers are going to consistently look out for your videos. And nobody wants to subscribe to a channel that you might upload one video today and they don't hear from you a year from today. That's just ridiculous. Believe it or not, people build a personal connection with you on YouTube. So if they feel like you are committed to them and you're committed to uploading, then they are going to commit to you, subscribe to your channel, view your videos, which will help you get your watch hours, which will help you get your subscribers up. So stay consistent. In order to make it on this platform, you have to stay consistent. How do I stay consistent when I'm not earning any money? How do I stay consistent when I'm not getting any subscribers or my watch hours are not going up? The number one thing to staying consistent is be passionate about what you do. So I truly use YouTube as my main source of education, as my main source of entertainment. I have been trying to pursue YouTube for over 10 years now, so I am truly passionate about creating content. I went to college for communications and media studies. I learned how to edit on there. I learned how to do reporting over there and all of that stuff. So this is something that I am passionate about, and it doesn't matter how many years it's gonna take me to escalate in this platform. I'm gonna continue pushing because I wanna grow and I wanna reach my dream/goal in this platform. So that is my tip to you. The third thing that you need to do so you can get monetized and get your watch hours up is to create longer content. So creating 3-minute videos here, creating 3-minute videos there, that's not gonna help you. As you can tell, my videos are pretty long. Specifically my vlogs. My vlogs are long, one, because I like to put good information out there. I like to put good content out there. And two, because people are going to watch longer if you have longer content. I actually prefer doing longer content because I like to be very detailed in all of my videos. So that is why I prefer that. So I suggest for you to have longer content as well. So that will help you with your watch hours. Another thing that I did so I can become monetized faster and get subscribers faster is I was very particular with the type of titles and thumbnails that I used in my videos. So every time that I would upload a video, depending on the type of video that it was, I would search it up on YouTube prior because I wanted to see the titles that other people use on their videos. And then if I see a video that has like 2 million views and it's similar to my video, I would create a title similar to that video. So creating very searchable titles is very important. Also, another thing that is super important are your thumbnails. You need to have catchy thumbnails. You need to have a thumbnail that's gonna capture people's eye. I am using my backup camera because my battery just died. So if the angle is a little different suddenly, that is why. I do apologize. But like I was saying, your thumbnail is super duper important when it comes to your video. The first thing people see when they search a particular subject on YouTube is the creator's thumbnail. So make sure that you have a super duper catchy thumbnail. Some of the resources that I use to create my thumbnail is Canva. Go into canva.com. I will include that right here on the video just so you can see how it's spelled. Canva.com is a lifesaver. I've done so many things on Canva, such as my thumbnail, such as my Instagram story layout. You can create ebooks on there. You can do so many things. You can do logos on there. That platform is 100% unstoppable, and I definitely recommend it as a resource for a YouTuber. I also recommend for you to use TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a very powerful resource because it helps you create the titles of your videos, and it also helps with the keywords of your video. It gives you recommendations on the keywords or the tags for your videos. I'm telling you, you guys have to download it. And the way that it works is that it has an extension. So with that extension that you download, kind of similar to like Safari or Google web browser. So this would be a web browser, but for TubeBuddy. And then when you log into your YouTube, it totally lets you look at YouTube through the back end. So I totally recommend it as a resource. I do recommend during this journey is to not get discouraged. If you look through my videos, you'll be able to see that in one of my videos, I almost got 40,000 views. And then there are some videos that are still only in double digits, like 50 views, you guys. But guess what? I am eager for this channel to grow. I am eager for my business to grow, and I am eager to make YouTube my full-time job. Therefore, I don't allow the negativity to distract me. And I don't even look at that as something negative. To me, when 50 people view my channel, that's 50 people that are getting good information. And when 40,000 people view my channel, I get excited as well. I don't get more excited or less excited. Sometimes when you pay too much attention to the numbers, you get discouraged. However, it is important to review your analytics. So your analytics are super duper important when it comes to your growth. If you pay attention to your analytics, then you will definitely grow. Like for example, on my channel, the #1 videos that are mostly viewed are things related to weight loss. So if I really wanted to, I would make all of my videos of weight loss and I would get so many views and I would be getting fat checks. However, my niche is lifestyle. So that means that I want to show you guys all the different things that have to do with my lifestyle, which is more than weight loss. And I want my channel to be well-rounded. I just don't want it to be about weight loss, which is why I throw in a little bit of business, a little bit of mommy life, a little bit of fitness, a little bit of beauty, a little bit of cosmetic work, because those are the things that fit into my lifestyle. That is my niche. So I do recommend for you to find your niche. Another thing that I did to get monetized and to get my subscribers up is I told everyone that I had a YouTube channel and to subscribe to my channel. I was definitely not embarrassed at all to share my content. I'm proud of my content. I'm proud of my hard work. I'm definitely not where I want to be, but I'm definitely further than where I was. And I believe that over the span of 6 months, I have improved due to my research and due to creating so many videos, and that is practice in front of the camera. So I recommend for you to do the same thing. Let everyone know that you have a YouTube channel and tell them that you want to get monetized and you want to make money off your videos, and that they can help you for free by subscribing to your channel, by commenting on your videos, because that helps your algorithm and etc. That goes right into social media. So share all your videos on your social media platforms. For me specifically, I share my videos on my Instagram. So make sure to follow me on there. I always have my little hashtag on the screen. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm really trying to grow on there as well. And I also share all of my videos on Facebook. So I definitely am not a 100% pro. I haven't mastered it 100% completely. Slowly but surely, I'm growing and I'm getting to where I want to be. And I do want to let you guys know that with all of these videos that I've been uploading and with the growth of my channel, I've been getting approached all the time by different people, both personally and virtually, through YouTube, through social media. People ask me all the time, what do I need to do to start my YouTube channel? Like, what kind of computer do I need? What kind of camera do I need? How do I edit? People ask me so many questions. So I decided to create a video online course explaining the ins and outs of YouTube. With this online course, you will also get an ebook written specifically by me. On this ebook, you'll get outlines and you'll get so many resources that will help you start your own YouTube channel. So my course is going to be released in exactly 30 days. And if you want to get 25% off of this course, then I definitely recommend you to head over to my website, which is www.bossmommyuniversity.com, and sign up. All you have to do is put in your name and your email, and you will get emailed once the course gets released, and you will get 25% off the course. I do want to let you guys know that only the first 100 people that sign up will get 25% off, so make sure to take your little booty over there and sign up. All you have to do is give me your name and your email, and you'll get 25% off. But yeah, you guys, that concludes the end of the video. I definitely recommend you guys to follow these tips and tricks so you can get monetized as fast as I did on YouTube. And also, if you want to learn even more, then like I said, head over to bossmommyuniversity.com. The link is below, so you guys can know everything that you need to know to start your own YouTube channel, all the way from equipment to resources to how to edit to gaining the confidence to being in front of the camera. I can help you with all of that, so let's work together. Until the next one, you guys, thank you for watching. But one thing that I do recommend during this journey is to not get discouraged. If you look through my videos, you'll be able to see that in one of my videos, I almost got 40,000 views. And then there are some videos that are still only in double digits, like 50 views, you guys. But guess what? I am eager for this channel to grow. I am eager for my business to grow, and I am eager to make YouTube my full-time job. Therefore, I don't allow the negativity to distract me. And I don't even look at that as something negative. To me, when 50 people view my channel, that's 50 people that are getting good information. And when 40,000 people view my channel, I get excited as well. I don't get more excited or less excited. Sometimes when you pay too much attention to the numbers, you get discouraged. However, it is important to review your analytics. So your analytics are super duper important when it comes to your growth. If you pay attention to your analytics, then you will definitely grow. Like, for example, on my channel, the #1 videos that are mostly viewed are things related to weight loss. So if I really wanted to, I would make all of my videos of weight loss, and I would get so many views, and I would be getting fat checks. However, my niche is lifestyle. So that means that I want to show you guys all the different things that have to do with my lifestyle, which is more than weight loss. And I want my channel to be well-rounded. I just don't want it to be about weight loss, which is why I throw in a little bit of business, a little bit of mommy life, a little bit of fitness, a little bit of beauty, a little bit of cosmetic work, because those are the things that fit into my lifestyle. That is my niche. So I do recommend for you to find your niche.